In this video tutorial, I'll guide you on how to easily log out of Facebook on your iPhone. Please watch the entire video to ensure you understand the process correctly. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone. If you're already signed in to a Facebook account, follow these steps to log out. Tap on the menu icon, scroll to the bottom and tap on Logout. Confirm the action by tapping Logout again. After logging out, you may see saved login data for your accounts. To remove login data for a particular account and prevent unauthorized access, follow these steps. Tap on three dots on the top right corner. Select Remove Profiles from this device. Select the profile you want to remove. Tap on Remove to delete the saved login data for that account. By removing the profile, it will no longer be available for quick login from the list. By following these steps, you can easily log out of your Facebook account and remove login data on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.